Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can integrate Zoho with Shopify. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So there is no direct way to connect both of the website at once in either Zoho or Shopify. You have to take a third-party support, which is simply the website called Zapier. Here you will be able to simply create a connection between one website to another website, and all you gotta do is create yourself an account over here and tap on this option of create, and then tap on this option of Zaps. Once you have tapped on it, you gotta wait for a while, and you simply have to choose a trigger. You can see this is the option, but I will definitely suggest you to watch the video. This is where you will be simply be able to check out the steps of how you will be able to do so. Simply go ahead, check it out. Once you're done so, you can simply start creating yourself a trigger. First trigger would definitely be the Shopify for us, and we're gonna get the Shopify, and now you can see it requires us to get the Pro as well for us to change. Now go to the action 2, and we will be searching the Zoho as another trigger. Now go ahead, choose the Zoho CRM. Once you're done adding both of the, now you simply gotta select the event as well for it. Now go ahead, choose the one event from, what is this from. Once you have selected the event, you're gonna add in the account that you would like to connect this account with. It will load you this kind of interface. Add in the login details and connect your particular Shopify account. Now the same goes for the Zoho CRM. Go ahead, add in the event right over here. Now go ahead, add in the account as well. Once you've added that, you're going to be able to simply connect both of the website over here in Zapier, and simply have to follow through more of the steps that will be shown over here, and then you're good to go. Hope this video helps. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.